So hey, this is pretty cool, hey, this is fun. We have not been backed up by a 40-piece brass band many times, so this is pretty special. Big round of applause for the Havara Brass Band! So we were thinking, what's better than a folk band and a brass band? And obviously the answer is a spooning song backed up by a 40-piece brass band. How about that?
Yeah.
So for those of you who do know Adrian, any Irish people in the house?
Ooh.
Okay, if you're from Ireland or have any connections to Ireland, you probably know that Adrian is a world master spooner, has been for many years. He's the world champion of the spooning, what is it, the men's? Yes, it's in the men's, he won the men's.
He won all the men's.
Between 1998 and 2012.
Thank you.
And tonight, only for you guys, he will play his spoons.
I shall spoon.
He's coming out of retirement.
He doesn't just spoon for anybody, so you're pretty lucky. Let's do it.
Line up, ladies.
Show them how it's done. So if it's broke, and if it's old, make it into something new, turn it into gold. No matter what you gotta do it right. Just like a train that's coming through out in the dead at night. You gotta take it all the way into the morning light. No matter what you say or do, you gotta do it right. Do the best you can. Don't got one shot at it. The words at your commands. No matter what you gotta do it right. Just like a train that's coming through out in the dead lights. You gotta take it all the way into the morning light. No matter what you say or do, you gotta do it right. If it's broken, keep it if it's whole. Break a little nature, set a higher goal. Choose a new direction, and if it's going slow, all you need is music to tell another tale. No matter what you gotta do it right. Just like a train that's coming through out the dead at night. No matter what you gotta do it right. Just like a train that's coming through out in the dead at night. Right. Give it up for Adrian on the spoon.
Thank you very much. Spooner by trade. Look at him go.
Little spoon, big spoon.